This is the demonstration of laser therapy unit. Pressing reset, we get the main menu. Machine is having an intellectual 4-digit password. You can have your own password too. Presently the password is 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4 different menus. First is recall memory, in which if we have saved some programs, we can recall them. Second is diagnosis. Third one is new patient, where if you have a new patient today, you can adjust your settings, and after that you can save that same settings. And fourth one is change password. Let us go for diagnosis first. Pressing 2, we get a selection menu of 2 different probes. One is red probe, other one is infrared probe. There are 2 kind of probes, red and infrared, 2 probe lasers. Selecting was first probe, we get the different list of programs. By pressing enter, we can have more programs. There are total 29 number of programs, in which maximum number of diseases are covered. If you don't find it feasible, you can have your own programs too. Let us go for tennis elbow. Let us press 3. Yes, confirm. The equipment is started with the tennis elbow program. The preset program is having a frequency of 3000 Hz, power of 100 milliwatts, number of steps are 6. Number of steps is the area, is the number of, it is the area which is divided. For example, if we are taking an elbow, if this is an elbow portion, this elbow portion can be divided into 6 number of steps. In this 6 number of steps, we can divide the total treatment area. So it eradicates the use of scanner laser. We don't require scanner laser. The only thing is that the time consuming is more, but in comparison of scanner laser, we can have a cheaper equipment and we can have a same result with this step time mode. So total area is covered with a single beam. This is a demonstration type of laser, in which presently beam is not there, because for demo we don't give a beam demonstration. So you have to just see whether there is a beam or not. Once the beam has arrived, you just keep the laser probe directly on the patient skin. Presently step 1 is going on and the time is decreasing. It is 73 seconds, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, right? Similarly, the time will go directly to 0, and after that one beep sound will occur. After that beep sound, we have to take the next step. Similarly, third step, 4th step, 5th step, 6th step. So total area is divided into 6 number of steps in this program, and machine is having the total 10 steps. Any of the area maximum can be divided into 10 number of steps. Let us wait for the step time to get over. These are totally soft touch buttons, which is called capacitive touch. You don't have a mechanical type of switches. The whole panel is rugged one. You can even wash it or swipe it with a wet cloth. You have heard a sound of beep. Now the next step, see, now number of steps from 6, it is now 5, and the new time was reloaded. The total treatment time has been decreased. It is total treatment time is a multiplication of number of steps and step time. So it gets automatic reloaded. Now second step is going on and it will get decreased to 0. After that again one beep sound will occur and you have to take the new step. So this is the working system of diagnosis mode. Now let us check other mode. It is having an intellectual password system. No Indian laser is having this kind of facilities, because other lasers are having a mechanical key type of lock, that ignition type of bike lock, which is very common, and the same has been given in a sophisticated equipment, which is very weird. Let us go with new patient mode. In new patient mode, you have to select the probes. For example, we are taking infrared probe. Here you can have your own step time. If you are giving a treatment to this finger, forefinger, then you have to derive the pain. Where is the pain? Once the pain has been derived, divide the area into number of steps. For example, the area is very small. Let us go for 2 step only. Enter. Sorry, once again. Here again is the password for accessing the equipment. Pressing enter. Let us go with the new patient mode. Infrared. It's the step time, the time of the step. Let us take it 30 seconds. Number of steps we are taking 2. Total treatment time would be 60 seconds. 1 minute. Frequency continuous will give more power. In if you go for frequency mode, the power is altered, the power is chopped, the output is in pulse. Let us have any of the combination from 50 to 7000 Hz. For example, 2, 2, 3. Enter. So now treatment time was 60 seconds and it is decreasing. The frequency is 2333 Hz, power is 100 milliwatt fixed, number of steps is 2. Beep sound will occur and next step will get reloaded. Now the treatment time is over. The equipment will ask us whether we have to save this program. If the patient will be coming regularly, then we can save this program. Press 1 for yes. Enter patient number. We can have 30 maximum number of patients and each of the patients location are rewritable. If patient gets cured from location number 1, we can have other patient on the same location. See, yes, one previous patient was saved, so machine is asking whether we want to override the patient. Yes, this new patient is there, we will override. So finally this is the mode of the equipment. Fourth mode goes for change password and first of all goes for recall. Let us go for recall memory. Now we will enter the 01 what we have saved presently. Same time and same thing has got reloaded. So this is the power of memory. You can have your own programs too.